Welcome to the presentation of the ceasefire demo for use case 5, 3D printed firearm blueprints distribution. It is a demonstration of advanced capabilities in natural language understanding, visual analytics, speech-to-text and translation, tailored specifically for use case 5. Following a brief introduction, we will proceed to analyze the utilization of the tool. In use case 5, our objective is to identify potentially illicit discussions related to gun procurement and 3D gun manufacturing. Our application operates by systematically scanning internet forums, both on the clear and dark web, to gather and analyze conversations surrounding unlawful weapon activities. This scanning process is not directly visible to the user. Upon completion of the forum crawling, the system generates alerts, which are comprehensive reports detailing the findings of the search. Each alert represents a conversation sourced from a specific forum, accompanied by insightful natural language understanding analysis. By automating this process and generating alerts, the tool spares LEA users the need to access the dark web directly, while simultaneously providing insightful conversational analysis. Some conversation examples of a clear web forum, Reddit, can be seen on the screen. Examples of the generated corresponding to conversations alerts, as well as the way the user can interact with them, will be presented shortly. To aid user navigation, we offer 4 filters for refining information. The primary filter organizes data by the source forum. We are currently focusing on Reddit as our main data repository, with plans to integrate additional sources in the future. Each alert is named after the subreddit it has been extracted from, followed by an identification number. Upon selecting an alert, users are presented with a concise summary of the discussion, which includes a number of messages and users, along with an overall urgency score generated by our AI models. Some examples can be seen on the screen. Alerts are color-coded to indicate the urgency score percentage, enabling quick assessment. The green alerts have an urgency score of 0 to 30%, the orange alerts have a score of 30% to 65%, and the red alerts, the most suspicious conversations, a score of 65% to 100%. For user convenience, a filter has been implemented to sort alerts based on urgency score, facilitating easy access to potentially concerning conversations. The user can choose to see alerts that are the most or the least suspicious on the top. After choosing an alert from the list, the LEA user might deem the conversation noteworthy by accessing its summary. In this case, they can click the Show Details button. Clicking on Show Details reveals the conversation's detailed contents, including discussion transcripts, participant usernames, and reports from the natural language understanding models. The ceasefire tool utilizes 2 NLU models. Starting from the bottom, the first one predicts user intent within a conversation, shown in list format. An example of this list can be seen here. The possible message intents are advice, offer, request, exchange, tutorial, social, information seeking, and comment. The message intent list provides users with a quick overview of the conversation's direction. In this specific example, the conversation is between 2 users. The first message's intent is advice towards the other user. The second message expresses information seeking, since it is, as you can see, a question. The last message can be deemed an offer, since it provides a marketplace link that could belong to the speaker. A supplementary intent score is produced based on the intent sequence and presence of specific intents, as can be seen here. Here the intent score is 46.67%. The second artificial intelligence model employs machine learning to assign a suspiciousness score to each conversation. This model has been trained on expertly annotated conversations. The consolidation of these 2 scores forms the urgency score displayed in the summary. Continuing on, a conversation alert related to the 3D aspect of the use case will be analyzed. This conversation is between 2 users. where one requests help with the creation of a 3D model of a pistol. The intent list includes information seeking, advice, as well as a final offer, in the form of an online link containing 3D scans of firearms. The suspiciousness score is understandably quite high. Discussions written in another language can be swiftly identified using the languages filter, enabling users to select specific languages present in the crawled data. Furthermore, with the Contains Media filter, users can focus on conversations enriched with multimedia, such as photo or videos. When exploring alerts, users may encounter discussions featuring visuals. If a conversation includes a photo, our specialized classification model, as mentioned in use case 3, analyzes it to detect any weapons depicted and provides insights into the type of the weapon shown. Moreover, if a video is present, our system transcribes the dialogue using a speech-to-text model, sparing users the need to watch the entire video. It is important to note that if the video is in a language other than English, our system seamlessly translates the content, ensuring users have access to all relevant information. And with this clarification, we end the demo presentation for use case 5, 3D printed firearm blueprints distribution.